Hey ladies, today I went to the MAC store because they had a release party for the new Viva Glam Gaga 2 lipstick and lip gloss, and this is my very first time going to a MAC party event, and they had coffee and donuts and stuff like that, and only 20 people could get in at 10 in the morning for the release party, and at 11 it's open to the regular customers. So yeah, so let me show you what I got. Of course I got both things from Viva Glam Gaga 2, and the very first thing I got was the Lady Gaga Viva Glam Gaga 2 lipstick. It's the same packaging as the pink one, as the pink Viva Glam Gaga. And excuse the thorough band-aid. I cut myself yesterday and my daughter gave me her band-aid. And see, Viva Glam Gaga 2. It comes in a wrap packaging. It has Lady Gaga stars, MAC. Here's a lipstick. It's nude. It's similar to the lipstick of Peach Stock from the Liberty of London collection. And this is the Lady Gaga Viva Glam Gaga 2 lip gloss. And it's the same packaging as the first lip gloss, the pink one. And it looks like this. Lip gloss Viva Glam Gaga 2. Comes with the stars. Has a Lady Gaga signature. And it looks like that. It's just a neutral color. Similar to Myth or Peach Stock, like I said. And they also gave me this when I purchased the Lady Gaga stuff. The stickers with the first Lady Gaga lipstick and lip gloss, and the Cyndi Lauper one. And it just has writing in the back about that each lipstick goes to the AIDS Foundation, percentage of it. And since I bought the Lady Gaga Viva Glam Gaga 2, they gave me this card for Sweet Chocolates, a boutique by where I live, from where the MAC is at, my crib, downtown in Chicago. And they gave me a little goodies of chocolate for free to sample it. I like the packaging, it's so cute. And if you open it, I like the ribbon. It has 2 chocolates inside from this company. It's called Voskis hot chocolate. Well, anyways, I also pick up the Wonder Woman from MAC Wonder Woman, and I got 3 things. I got the Emancipation lip gloss, and this is the packaging. And this is the lip gloss. Emancipation. And it's hard to open, it's super big. Looks like that. It's a bigger one compared to this one. It's a little small. The new Lady Gaga. And you put them side by side, you could tell that one's more bigger. And I'm wearing this one on my lips right now. Right here. Emancipation. I also picked up the lipstick in Marquise. There's a packaging. It looks like that. Marquise. Has a star. And here's a lipstick. And this one's a luster. Look at the stars in the packaging inside. Excuse my voice, I'm still sick. And the last thing I got was the Wonder Woman from MAC. One of their quads. This one costed $40. And it has, I like the packaging. It's cute. I used this quad today. You can open it. It's hard. And there you go. This quad is called Defiance. And here's a eye look that I came up with today. These are the shades. You get Defiance, Paradise Island, Star Stud, and Real Drama. I hope you can see the colors. I like it. I like the tint. It's cute. It has a star packaging too. And I actually picked this one up yesterday. I just wanted to save it for my haul today when I pick up the Lady Gaga. I picked up all the Wonder Woman yesterday. I just picked up the Lady Gaga stuff today for the lunch party. And I just didn't want to make 2 videos, so I'll save that off for 1 video. So yeah, that's all I got, and I hope you like my Lady Gaga and MAC Wonder Woman haul. Thanks. Bye.